Okay, let's take a look at velocity. The symbol for velocity is v. How do we get velocity? By differentiate displacement ds dt. Alternatively, we can integrate v dt to get back displacement. Now, let's take a look at these questions. A particle is moved in a straight line. Its displacement at a fixed start point is s equals to 9t plus t squared. We are asked to find the initial velocity and find the velocity when s is 52 meters to the right hand side. So, initial velocity meaning t equals to 0. Alright? 52 meters on the right hand side meaning this is the origin. 52 meters to the right hand side. Meaning this 52 meters is a positive number. Alright? Now let's find out the initial velocity. So how do we get the velocity equation for this? Alright? By differentiate this thing. Alright? So s equals to 9t plus t squared. So ds dt we get differentiate 90 is 9 plus t squared is 2t. Alright? When t equals to 0, v equals to ds dt equals to 9 plus 2 multiplied 0, we get 9 meter per second. Alright? Positive meaning 9 meter per second to the right. Alright? Find the velocity when the s equals to 52 meter. Right? When s equals to 52, so substitute 52 into these equations. So 52 equals to 9t plus t squared. Alright? Move everything to one side so that we can find the value of t. So it will be t squared plus 9t minus 52 equals to 0. We factorize it t, 13, 4 plus 13 minus 4. Right? Let's check whether this is equals to this. So t multiplied t squared minus 4 multiplied positive 13 you get negative 52. So 13t minus 14 we get 19. Right? So here t minus 4 equals to 0. T equals to 4 seconds. So whereas here t plus 13 equals to 0, t equals to minus 13s. So this is invalid. Why this is invalid? Because in time there is no negative. So only positive number is valid. So t equals to 4 seconds. And we get s equals to 52 meters. So now we know that the time needed to travel to right hand side 52 meters. Now let's go for the velocity. So the velocity will be v equals to ds dt. So ds dt is 9 plus 2t. 9 plus 2t is here 4 seconds. Then will be 9 plus 8. We got 17 meters per second. So 70 meters per second to the right hand side. Now let's take a look at these questions. A particle is moved in a straight line and the displacement from its origin is s equals to 2t minus t squared plus 8. We are asked to find the total distance traveled in the first 7 seconds. Alright? Before we do this, let us look for the velocity, which is ds dt. So ds dt for here is t is 2 minus 2t. So we say velocity equals to 0. Then we get 2t equals to 2, t equals to 1 second. Right? The reason why we want to find out ds dt equals to 0 is this 0 is our origin. So meaning when t equals to 1, v equals to 0, it means after 1 second, the particles start to travel different directions. 0 to 1 is travel to the right hand side. Then after t equals to 1 is travel to the left hand side. Then now let's just take a look at t equals to 0. When t equals to 0, we substitute 0 into t. 0, 0. That means s equals to 8. So the particles start at t equals to 0. It is 8 meters away right hand side to the origin. Now we know when v equals to 0, the particles start to change direction. So let's look for when t equals to 1, s equals to 2 multiply 1 minus 1 square plus 8 is 9 meter. Right? So this is s equals to 9 meter. Now we are asked to find the 7 second. Right? So when t equals to 7, s equals to 2 multiply 7 minus 7 square plus 8. How much we got? 40 minus 49 plus 8, we get minus 27 meter. Right? That means when t equals to 7 second, s equals to minus 27 meter. That is, when t equals to 7 second, the particle is 27 meter left hand side away from the origin. So now total distance travel. Total distance travel is s1 minus s0. When t equals to 1 is s1, when t equals to 0 is s0. So s1 s0 plus s7 minus s1. Put a modulus in both of these. You get s1 is 9, s0 is 8. So 9 minus 8 plus s7 is minus 27 minus 9. Alright? So 9 minus 8, we got 1 plus minus 27 minus 9 is minus 36. The modulus. So 36, modulus negative 36, you get 36. 36 plus 1, you get 37 meter. Alright? Why we need to modulus? Why do we need to put modulus here and modulus here? It is because S is a displacement. It has a positive and negative. When it is positive, it is at the right hand side of the origin. When it is negative, it is at the left hand side of the origin. So we are asked to find the total distance traveled, which is without any positive or negative. We put a modulus in order to eliminate the positive and negative side. So 9 minus 8, 1, meaning is travel 1 meter at the right hand side of the origin. And negative 27 is 27, meaning here to here is 27 meter. Left hand side of the origin. That's why it's a negative 27. So negative 27 minus 9 is negative 36. Meaning this is 36 meter to the left hand side. So we want to find the total distance traveled is, this is 1 meter plus this to here, 36 meter is 36 plus 1 is 37 meter. Let's take a look at these questions. A particle start moving from a fixed point, right? Meaning t equals to 0, s equals to 0. And it's moved in a straight line, and the velocity is given v equals to pt squared minus qt. Also, we are told that when v equals to 0, t equals to 2s, and the displacement is 8 meter to the left from the origin. So we are asked to find the value of p and q. Second part, we are asked to find the t required for the particle to return to O. O meaning the origin, the starting point. Last part of the questions, we are asked to sketch the time displacement graph between 4 seconds and 10 seconds. Alright? So let us find the value of P and Q first by using these given informations. Alright? So when V equals to 0, T equals to 2, substitute into this equation, we get 0 equals to P2 squared minus Q, T is 2. So we got 4P minus 2Q equals to 0. So this one, we call it equation number 1. Alright? Then S, displacement. How do we get the formula for displacement? By integrate this V. Alright? So integrate V dt, we get P T cubed divided by 3. Alright? Minus Q T squared divided by 2 plus C. Alright? So what we got? We have to find out the C first. Okay. From the first sentence of the questions, we are told that the particle start moving at a fixed point, meaning t equals to 0, s equals to 0. So when t equals to 0, s equals to 0, what we got? Okay, we got 0 equals to, substitute t, 0 into t, substitute 0 into t, we get 0, 0 plus c. 0 minus 0 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to 0. And we can say that s equals to pt cubed over 3 minus qt squared over 2 This is a displacement formula. Therefore, when S is equals to minus 8, right? 8 meter to the left, so that is minus 8, right? Then T equals to 2. We got from this equation, this displacement equation, we got negative 8 equals to P2 cube minus 3 over 3 minus Q2 square over 2. So we got minus 8 equals to 2 cube, we get 8p over 3 minus 4q over 2. So put everything into one side, we get 8p over 3 minus 4 and 2, we can simplify in 1 and 2. So minus 2 plus 2q minus 8 move to the other side, we get positive 8 equals to 0. So we can say this is equation number 2. So now we have equation number 1, equation number 2. Let's solve it. We can say 2 minus 1, alright? Equation 2 minus 1. Why equation 2 minus 1? When equation number 2 minus 1, we get negative 2q minus minus 2q. So meaning negative 2q plus 2q, we eliminate the q. Then we find out the p first, alright? So 2 minus 1. 8p over 3 minus 4p. 8p over 3 minus 4p. We get minus 4 over 3p. Then minus q, minus 2q, minus minus 2q become 0q. 8 minus 0, we get plus 8 equals to 0. So 4 over 3, p equals to 8. P equals to 8 multiply 3 over 4. So what we got? 8 multiply 3 over 4, we got p equals to 6. So when p equals to 6, we substitute into, let's say, equation number 1, alright? When p equals to 6, 4 multiply 6 minus 2q equals to 0. So this is 2q equals to 24, right? So q is equals to 12. Therefore, the formula for velocity is v equals to pt. P is 6. 6t squared minus 12t. Now let's continue to take a look at the second part of the questions. Find the t required for particle to return to O, meaning return to the origin. So previously, just now we found out that the s is equal to pt cubed over 3 minus qt squared over 2. And p equals to 6, q equals to 12. So the equation for displacement will be substitute 6 into p, we get 6 over 3. 6 over 3, we get 2t cubed. Minus, substitute 12 into q, we got 12 over 2. 12 over 2 is 6t squared. Alright? So, find the t required for particle to return to the origin, meaning displacement is equal to 0. So, when s equals to 0, we get 2t cubed minus 6t squared equals to 0. Right? Take out the 2t cubed minus 3t squared equals to 0. Then we take out the t squared. 2t squared become t minus 3 equals to 0. So this is t equals to 0, and this is t minus 3 equals to 0, t equals to 3s. Meaning, from the starting point, it starts from the origin. That's why t equals to 0. And then, after 3 seconds, meaning when t equals to 3 seconds, the particle return to the origin, meaning the starting point. Then let's take a look at the last part of the question. Sketch a time displacement graph between 0 and 4 seconds. So let's draw a figure. So this is time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is displacement. So when t equals to 0, how much we got? Substitute into these equations. 0, 0, we get 0. So substitute 1 into here, we get 2 minus 6, we get negative 4. Right? So substitute 2 into here, we get negative 8. Alright? Substitute 3 into here, what we get? 2 multiply 3 cubed minus 6 multiply 3 squared. We get 0. Right? Substitute 4 into here, we get 2 multiply 4 cubed minus 6 multiply 4 squared. We get 32. Alright? So let's sketch the graph time versus displacement. So this is time. This is displacement. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We are asked to find sketch graph between 1 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 second. Right? This is in second. This is in meter. So when time equals to 0, displacement equals to 0. So when time equals to 1, displacement equals to negative 4. So this is negative 4. Right? So here, t equals to 2, s equals to negative 8. This is 8. Over here. 3 is 0. 4 is 32. So the graph will be from 0 all the way now up to here. Okay? Up to here. So this is a displacement graph, time and displacement graph for these questions. And if you have any questions regarding this subtopic, feel free to comment below this video and we will further explain it to you.